I wonder what you would do if you had the power to dream at night any dream you wanted to dream. You would, I suppose, start out by fulfilling all your wishes. You could design for yourself what would be the most ecstatic life. Love affairs, banquets, dancing girls, wonderful journeys, gardens, music beyond music. And then after a couple of months of this sort of thing, you'd be getting a little taste for something different. And you would move over to an adventurous dimension where there were sudden dangers involved, and you could rescue princesses from dragons and go on dangerous journeys. And after you'd done that for some time, you'd pick up a new record to forget that you were dreaming, so that you would think it was all for real, and to be anxious about it. What could you take? How far out could you get? You could ask yourself this because you know you'd eventually wake up. And after you've gone on doing this, you see, for some time, you'll suddenly find yourself sitting around in this room with all your personal involvements, problems, etc., talking with me. How do you know that that's not what you're doing? What would you do if you were God? I am. In the Upanishads, the basic text of Hinduism, one of them starts out saying, in the beginning was the self. And looking around, it said, I am. Everyone to this day, when asked who is there, says it is I. It is I. It is I. What would you do if you were God? I am. God. What would you do if you were God? God.